Hello everyone, today I'm going to be talking about how to use tretinoin formulation to get the best results on the face. So here I have two formulations. One is tretinoin cream with the concentration 0.05%, and here I have tretinoin gel based formula with 0.05% concentration. The difference between these two is that it is in a cream-based formula, which can be really soothing as well as can be moisturizing when applied. And this is a gel-based formula, which is way more potent than the cream, and it penetrates into the deeper layers of your skin. So those of you all who are new to my channel, my name is Ashwini Priyadarshini Megur, also known as Avi, and I'm a PhD student in the field of biology. Today's video was actually suggested by one of my subscribers. She wanted to know how to use tretinoin cream properly to get the best results. Well, as compared to tretinoin cream as well as gel, I would suggest to be used as cream formulation first, just because it is much more lighter, it is very good, it's moisturizing, it doesn't lead to breaking of your skin very easily. The purging is a bit more slower as compared to the gel formula. Gel is very potent. Gel can go deep into your skin and start the purging, start the peeling of your skin soon as you apply it, like within 2 or 3 days of application. Whereas the cream takes a little bit of more time, it is much more slower, it's much more calmer. If you have sensitive skin, I would suggest to use the cream. So who can use the cream and who can use the gel? The cream can be used by sensitive skin type, let's say from normal to dry skin. The gel-based formula can be used by the people who have, let's say, normal to extremely oily skin type. So this is how it's been applied. But gel-based formula is given to the people who have severe acne and who are suffering from inflammation, redness on the skin. The gel-based formula are prescribed to the people who have extremely oily skin, whereas the cream-based can be applied from all skin types, whether it be from oily to dry skin, oily to normal, normal to dry. So it's perfectly fine for the cream formulation. A small gist about what is tretinoin. Tretinoin is a pure form of vitamin A. I'm sorry, my dog is just bothering me. Here, relax. Now, tretinoin is a very pure form of vitamin A. It is also known as all-trans retinoic acid. It doesn't go through series of steps to be converted into retinoic acid on the skin. So it is easily absorbed and can go through the bloodstream and reach out to the different parts of the organ as well. Because it is a pure form, it can be really alarming if you are using it when you are breastfeeding or you're pregnant. Tretinoin is a big no-no when you are pregnant or when you're breastfeeding, just because it can lead to improper development of fetus and can also lead to nutrition deficiency when you are breastfeeding mother. The 4 advantages of tretinoin is that it reduces oil formation, it reduces acne, it reduces inflammation, and also turns on the skin turnover. That's what is known as production of new skin cells coming to the top layer. Now to the part how to apply tretinoin properly. So there is a way of applying tretinoin. Once you have washed your face, wait till your face becomes completely dry. When your face is wet and you apply tretinoin, it penetrates into the deeper layers of your skin. So that's why the purging appears, that's why the peeling appears. But when your skin is extremely dry, the penetration is not that deep. It stays on the top layer of your skin, and that is where it starts to work. So the sensitivity is less when compared to applying it on the damp skin. So it is suggested to apply when your skin is extremely dry. So my suggestion is, once you have washed your face, apply your serums and wait till your skin has completely absorbed the serum and it's a bit dry. Then take a pea-sized amount of tretinoin and dot it all over your face and apply less tretinoin near your eye area. It can be applied near the eye area, but it should not be a huge amount because the skin near the eyes are very sensitive. They can be easily triggered. There can be more production of melanin. So it's suggested that the leftover cream that you have applied on the face can be damped near your eye area to reduce the fine lines and the dark circle formation. Once you have applied the pea-sized amount of tretinoin all over your face, wait for 10 minutes and then apply your moisturizer. It can be a thick moisturizer. Try to opt for a thick moisturizer. It's just because tretinoin leads to more dryness, and a thick moisturizer is suggested when you are applying tretinoin. A big caution that you have to keep in mind is that you cannot apply tretinoin without a doctor's prescription. It's a big no-no. There is one more way to use tretinoin, that is known as the sandwich method. And in the sandwich method, it's for the sensitive skin type people. You can apply a thin layer of moisturizer and a matte moisturizer or which is high in humectants after washing your face. Wait for 2-3 minutes and then take a pea-sized amount and apply tretinoin all over your face. Then again wait for 5 minutes and then apply your moisturizer on top of it. This will help to reduce that redness, that irritation caused by the tretinoin on the sensitive skin type people. But if you have oily skin, you can just skip that first moisturizing step and directly apply tretinoin on the skin, because you need the reduction in the oil production. The sebaceous glands should reduce the production of the sebaceous oil, so that is why you are applying it directly. As compared to sensitive skin type, they're already very reactive, so the sandwich method works well for them. The next question that I got related to tretinoin was when to use it and how to use it. So you can use it at nighttime. It's supposed to be used at nighttime. You cannot use it at daytime. And also another thing is that after you have applied tretinoin, try to avoid any makeup products. Usually in studies it's seen that when you come and apply tretinoin at nighttime and then you apply makeup on it, it reacts to some of the ingredients that has been used for the formulation of makeup, and it leads to more redness and sensitivity. It's suggested that you use it at your nighttime skincare routine. Once you have done with your night parties, you come home and you can just apply a pea-sized amount, wash your face, pea-sized amount of tretinoin, and then go to sleep. How much time does it take to see the best results for the acne, pigmentation marks, as well as for the anti-aging benefits? Well, if you're applying tretinoin for, let's say, for acne treatment, then it takes around 6 to 8 weeks. And for the pigmentation, it takes around 12 weeks to see some difference and to see that overall glow on the face. And for the anti-aging benefits, it takes around 6 to 8 months to see some sort of fine line reduction or the wrinkle reduction on the face, but it does show results. But you need to be patient when you are applying tretinoin, because it doesn't instantly give you results. All the creams out there doesn't give any instant results unless and until you're going through a series of laser treatment to see the best results. So this cream does take its own quality time, but it stays for a longer duration. The results are very persistent, and it stays for a long time. It's not like you stop using tretinoin and the pimple comes out again. It stays for good like 2-3 months even after stopping the tretinoin use. So these were the questions that were asked by you. So I hope I answered all your questions. If you have more questions related to tretinoin, please make sure that you write down in the comment section below, and I will make a new video regarding that as well. So thank you very much for watching my video again, and I will see you soon in another one. Take care and bye.